You're not really looking for one best AI photo editor. You're looking for the fastest tool that nails your exact job. Start with the easiest pro workflow on Mac, Luminar Neo on Setapp. It's built around AI sliders and simple tools, so you spend minutes editing, not hours learning. Need object removal? In Luminar Neo, use Erase. Paint over the person, car, or random sign, then let the AI fill the gap. Zoom in after because AI can still smudge edges or repeat patterns. Need better portraits? Use Face AI and Skin AI for quick retouching. Keep changes subtle and watch eyes, teeth, and skin texture. Over-retouching is the fastest way to make an AI edit look fake. Need a dramatic landscape fix? Use Sky AI to replace a dull sky, then adjust the blend so it matches your lighting. If the horizon looks off, refine the mask and recheck the edges. Now, for old photos, skip generic enhancers and go straight to Photos Revive on Setapp. Drag in a black and white image, hit Colorize and save a new copy. If the AI guesses wrong, add a color marker and reprocess that area. If you want quick native touch-ups, use the Photos app editing tools first. They're great for basic exposure, contrast, and cropping, and they fit right into your library. If your search is Best AI Photo Editor online, or you need templates, tools like Canva or Pixlr can help, but they can struggle with perfect blending. For heavy prompt-based compositing, Photoshop can be powerful, but it's slower to master and expensive. For extreme sharpening or upscaling, specialized tools like Topaz can outperform general editors. For mobile selfie edits, apps like Lensa or UCam may be faster on the go. If you want more fast, practical pics like this, subscribe so your next search takes minutes, not hours. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.